Right now I'm going to share a secret about one of the most underrated foods today, the potato. It's underrated because people are so distracted by the high carbohydrate content of potatoes that they overlook the many nutritional benefits and strength building properties that potatoes have. Specifically, after a workout, potatoes are one of the best things you can eat because they're high in potassium, which speeds up muscle recovery. They even have protein and fiber. So I'm going to go ahead and show you this delicious recipe that I cook with all the time. It's vegetarian, it's vegan, it's better than 90% of vegetarian food that you would get in a restaurant. It's going to cost you 90% less. All you're going to need is potatoes, mushrooms, onions, garlic, some olive oil, salt, black pepper, and you're good to go. Start with some garlic.
Alright, easy to open them that way. You don't have to peel the skin, just and it cracks open, so then we slice it up. So we got mushrooms here, onions, just chopping those up. Those are going to go in the pan with the potatoes. We get the potatoes to a rolling boil, and then we check how soft they are by just sticking the knife in. It's okay, it looks like they're ready. Okay, we get the olive oil in here now. Now there's some dispute about whether olive oil cooked is healthy or not. Olive oil, just don't go crazy with it and don't turn the flame up too high. But a little olive oil in fire is not gonna hurt you. Not gonna hurt you as much as a cheeseburger at least. Okay, put the garlic over here. Put it all in there. More olive oil. Salt. I'm using sea salt here. And then black pepper. Now, one of the best parts about cooking your own food is that you get to eat it as you're cooking. And I'm just getting started. So now we're pretty much ready to throw this on the pan. More olive oil. We can also do this with coconut oil, but we're ready to go. Let's check this out. You let them brown a little bit. The potatoes can brown, everything else is kind of doing its thing. Give it another 5 minutes maybe. Most people associate potatoes with Ireland, but they actually are from South America. The Spaniards, upon reaching the New World, which was actually already a thriving civilization, brought potatoes back from Peru in the 15th century. So potatoes went from Peru to Spain, and then the rest of Europe, and then the United States, and then became French fries. Since you made it this far and got through that whole recipe, I'm going to give you some bonus facts about potatoes. They're actually high in vitamin C, iron, vitamin B6, and magnesium. Potatoes are also a mineral powerhouse.